Welcome to Ziltech. In the last few videos, we have discussed about array list, how to create user-defined type and how to work with wrapper classes. Last few videos I have discussed. Once you can go through them. Now in this video of array list, I want to convert an array list to array. Array list to array. Okay. I want to convert array list to array. For this, I want to take one class. Array list to array. Array list to array. Test. Take in one public static void main and click on finished. First we will create one list. Then how to convert that we'll see. First I want to take one array list. Array list, and here I am taking one wrapper class integer. Here I want to give it a list, nothing but array list equals to new array list of integers. Next I want to add the elements. A list dot add integer. I'm adding like 101, like 101. Some elements, number 700, 102, 103 and 104. This is about array list. Now I am creating one array list, then I want to print it. Plus a list and save it, and I am running it. Yeah, fine. 101, 102, 103 and 104. Okay. This I want to convert it to array list. I want to convert it to arrays. So this list I want to convert it to. Okay. To convert that to an array list, if you want to convert it to array, we have one method. A list dot to array. See, to array. Clearly you can see to array. See, this is an object array and this is a T, nothing but a type. What type of you want to mention, you can mention that. Now I am taking to array. Returns an array containing all the elements in the list in proper sequence from first to last. Okay, I will take this. What it returns? It returns an object. It returns an object one. So first I am taking it in object array. OBJ object array. I am taking it to an object array. Next, this object array is an object array. So now see, yeah, it returns an object, and just confirm, you can see the size. Obj dot, in array we have one that variable like length. Obj dot length, it will display length of that. The size is 4. Now this is an object type. If you want to convert complete to integer, I want to convert this from integer. Okay, we have some mechanisms. We need to take one loop and we need to convert each and every element into an array list, and you can store it. We can see that we can do. And this is about converting array list to array, nothing but object array, converting to object array. If you want to convert into integer, that object, if you want to convert into integer, loop each and every element in a for loop and assign to a new array. assigned to a new array because the elements are in integers. So looping each and every element create a new array list with an integer. You can add them and you can print them. Okay, this is about array list to array. Thanks watching this video.